Imagine every 3D file format you ever used: Alembic FBX, OBJ, camera exports, geo exports, layout exports, and lighting metadata. All live in separate folders, breaking every time when someone updates something. What if the entire 3D world had a one common language, one single way to describe every model, light, and animation? And that's USD. It's already changing how VFX Studios works. USD stands for Universal Scene Description. It's a Pixar's open format built to manage massive 3D scenes quickly. It is developed by Pixar and was first published as an open source software in 2016. Think of it like this: USD is a Photoshop layers, but for entire CG scenes. Each artist adds their own layer, modeling adds a geometry, layout adds position, animation adds motion, and lighting adds their lighting informations. And look down at their materials. These layers stack, override, update, yet they stay clean. Modern VFX shows requires massive geometries. A single CG shot might contain millions of polygons, dozens of stimulations, and hundreds of assets. Traditional formats collapse under this weight. Olympic becomes slow, FBX becomes unreliable, and OBJ 2025. Don't get me wrong, USD solved this with fast loading, smart composition, variant switching, and cross software support, and also a lightweight instancing. It's built for scale, and industry is all about scale now. Now, comp relies on exports like Olympic cameras, Olympic geometry, and catches for everything. Any update from layout and lighting means a fresh export, fresh catch, and a fresh version. If they forgot to export, you will get a mismatch. With USD, everything stays in sync. If layouts update the building, your nuke scene updates. If animation tweaks a character, your nuke camera reflects it. If lighting moves a key light, you see it in the Hydra viewport. Compositors can see in real time what other departments has been modifying in their own 3D scenes. So let's go deeper in USD. So what exactly is prims? USD is made of many prims. A prim is anything in a scene like a mesh, a light, a camera, and an empty group. And each prim has its own layers that can override properties. One layer says the car is red, and another layer says no, make it blue. And the third layer will say also move it to 2 meters left. USD knows how to combine all these instructions instantly. There are also variants. You want three versions of Dragon: small, medium, large? USD can store them in one single file. This is why games, movies, and real-time engines are aligning behind USD. Prim also have defined what they are and kind that describes where they live inside the hierarchy. This makes every part of the scene predictable and organized. How USD handles this complex collaboration? Let's go back to the theater metaphor. Every department contributes to the final show: set design, lighting, concepts, props. Each makes changes without damaging the rest of the production. USD mirrors this with the layers. Each department edits its own layer, animation changes motion, lighting tweaks illumination, layout updates transform, all without overwriting each other. These layers stacks from a final result. USD also supports different variants. Think of a coffee cup that can be espresso, cappuccino, or latte. All versions exist in one prim. You can switch whenever it needed. This makes version management a lot cleaner. Also, USD has a powerful composition engine. It merges layer from many sources into one assembled scene. Similar how Photoshop merges 2D layers. The schemas acts like blueprint. They define how the prim behaves, what attributes they hold, and what type of data they can represent. Artists and studios can even define custom schemas to build new prim types. USD also uses an asset resolver that locates files without caring where they lived on disk. This keeps pipeline flexible and Hydra sit between USD and your renderer. It streams like live scene data straight into the engine so you can preview updates in real time. Imagine editing a document with a friend on the cloud. Both of you type in real time and the changes appears instantly. UST brings the same experience but in 3D development. You can adjust lights in Katana, someone edits a geometry in Maya. Both of you are affecting same UST stage at the same time. Each contributing is an opinion. Stronger opinion overrides weaker ones. This is how multiple departments can work in a single shared asset without stepping on each other's work. It turns 3D production into a parallel pipeline instead of linear one. UST has one goal: make complex 3D production feels like unified and collaborative. It gives DCC as a shared language. It connects entire pipeline. It is also allows artists to use best tool for each task. And the best part is it's open source. UST is much more than a format. It's quickly becoming a foundation of modern VFX and animation.